Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we are working on the SEO again, as you can tell by the title. And today I'm going to be repairing the power cables for the speakers. Obviously, in one of my previous videos I did the speaker cables, trying to get the speakers working again, and which they all come back to life. And you'll see in the video of what I had to do to each speaker, which was one of them had no terminals on, and she had the wires wrapped around one of the terminals on the speakers. So that was kind of done a bit better. Still wasn't done correctly as such, but you know, that made a bit more of a permanent connection than it was before. And obviously all the other speakers were working as well. So yeah, in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna be taking apart not taking apart, but seeing if the power wires done properly, or if they were just twisted on together as well. But alright, I think we should get into it and get on with that job. But before I do that, I'd like to say, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you like and subscribe, really does help to see this channel to grow. And of course, if you subscribe to my channel, you will get notified as soon as I upload a video. So, as you see in all my videos that contain electronics or anything to do with wiring, please do not copy my videos, as I am not trained to do anything like this. I am not an electrician. So, if you do copy anything in this video, it is purely at your own risk and not mine. Now we have that out of the way, let's get on with trying at least to undo these bits of tape. See how these wires are being connected. I think they're just going to be just the same, and they're going to be twisted rather than soldered. I'll tell you one thing, whoever put the tape on, they put tape on them pretty good, didn't they? But putting tape on might not be any good if it's bad wiring underneath. Oh, yep, here we go. Twisted, and it obviously pulls out so easily as it's just twisted together. Great. So that means I need to go and get some solder and iron and other little bits and get this done properly. Okay, so the varnish in brown ironically done today, and the varnish in blue on the speaker wise ironically did the other day. I'm not gonna mess with this one, I don't know where it goes or what it does, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave that how it is. That doesn't look like it's gonna come off anytime soon anyway, so yeah, probably regret saying that now, but I might do it in a minute. I'll look at it in a minute and see what that is, how it's everything done properly. But these are the ones we have done today, and they're all gone, all tight, all properly secured now. So what I normally tend to do when I'm doing cables, again, do not take advice from me, I'm not qualified, and if you do copy anything you see in this video, it is completely at your own risk and not mine. As I said, I'm not qualified in doing any of this at all. But what I normally do, if like I need to check wires, I'll take one wire off at a time, in case you don't realise what kind of wires go where. Obviously, for example, you've got this yellow one goes into a red and white striped. This orange one goes onto a black one, I believe. And yeah, this black one goes onto a brown one, but yeah, so I do it like that just in case you can't remember which one went where. But now, again, unfortunately you won't be able to listen to it, but I need to plug my cassette player back in and see if my repair, what I'm going to call a repair works. obviously the connection is now permanent rather than some crappy twisted stuff. Okay, yeah, so that's the last job done on the wiring, at least for the radio. So I hope you enjoyed watching that. I mean, there's not really too much you could see really, but just a quick little update video really of what I've been doing. Obviously, as you said previously, don't copy what I do with electronics. Like, I'm not a qualified electrician or a qualified car electrician. So yeah, I just obviously wanted to make sure they're done properly, which they weren't. So they are all done properly now at least, which means the radio can go into the car. Obviously, I'm putting my own radio into the car, and obviously not the one it come with. So yeah, obviously the radio that come with the car cost a previous owner took it out, but it is a factory radio, which would have been optioned at least for, maybe not, obviously wasn't option for this car, but it would have been available if they wanted it for this car. So it's a very period radio, so that would be perfect for this car. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you like and subscribe, really helps see this channel to grow. So once again, it's been On The Drive, and I hope to see you in my next video.